How to tie a tie, easiest method. 1. Drape the tie around your neck. With your collar up and your shirt fully buttoned, place the tie around your shoulders. Hang the wider end of the tie on your right side, with the narrow end about 12 inches, 30 centimeters, higher on the left. Avoid spread collars with this small, asymmetric knot. 2. Cross the wide end over the narrow end. Bring the wide end to the left side of your body, over the narrow end. Hold the two pieces of cloth together with your left hand, near your neck. 3. Loop the wide end under the narrow end. Let go with your right hand. Tuck it underneath the narrow end, grab the wide end, and pull it back through to your right side. 4. Loop the wide end back over again. Cross it over the narrow end one more time, at the same point where your left hand is holding the knot together. The front of the tie should be facing forward again, so the seam is hidden. 5. Pull the wide end up through the neck loop. Fold the tip of the wide end under itself and pull up through the neck loop. 6. Insert the wide end down through the front knot. You should have a horizontal knot across the front of your tie. Hold this knot open with your finger and carefully insert the wide end. 7. Tighten the knot. Hold the narrow end and slide the front knot up to tighten the tie. Make sure your tie is straight and the length is appropriate, ideally ending at the top of your belt buckle. Squeeze the sides of the knot gently to create a dimple just below it. The four-in-hand knot is a little asymmetrical at the neck. Don't worry about this, it is normal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.